Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back again. Spoken English Nidhi TV one more time. Hey guys, one more time we have come here, Muktagasa Notun Bazar. This is the Muktagasa Notun Bazar RK High School field. So this is the big field. You have seen already. This is the big field, and now we have come here for make some video. So for that we have come here, and after coming here we see some people is you are watching. Arif, watch this camera. Look at the man, and he is riding a bike in this field. And another thing we can see here, there is one man is learning how to drive a car. The car is white and well decorated car. I think it is very expensive car, right? And he is learning how to drive a car. So from here we can learn something like this. There is a man, he is riding bike, and we can say, but sometimes we will try to say something about that when the ask people, what is the difference between riding or what is the difference between driving. So we can say something about that. And if you ride bicycle or bike, if you ride bicycle or bike, that type of things, when you ride, you have to say ride. You have to use ride for bicycle or bike. But when you will drive this what you have to use for car, for big car, for special car. You have to use the car for a big car, especially like this kind of car. You have to use this kind of car. You have to use drive what you have to use for like this kind of car, and ride you have to use for like this, like bike or bicycle. Okay, and we can see many things from here. Another thing is the cow is eating grass on the field. You are watching the cow is eating grass on the field. Cameraman, have you seen the cow is eating grass on the field? Yeah, I think you are watching that. So, and we can look at the field and we can see many things. The three people right now on the field, and he is guiding how to drive a car or how to ride a bike. So one man is guiding for riding bike. One man is helping for riding bike, and two men is helping for driving car. Okay, driving car. So, and without this, this is the Muktagasa Notun Bazar playground field, and from here many people or many students or many kind of player come here. After coming here, they play and they play games here, and this is the famous of Muktagasa Notun Bazar field. Okay, so cameraman is holding the camera right now, and he is telling me go back, but why not? I don't know for what he is so much creating pressure me, but it's not pressure. It is so much good for me. Okay, and you don't know what is the name of cameraman, right? So my cameraman name is Arif, and you have seen my friend Arif before. So the same guy today, the same guy Arif has come here one more time. So আজকে এই ফিল্ড থেকে অনেক কিছু দেখাইলাম তোমাদেরকে, and কিভাবে গাড়ি চালানোর ক্ষেত্রে কিভাবে ইংরেজি বলবে এবং বাইক চালানোর ক্ষেত্রে কিভাবে ইংরেজি বলবে। ওভারঅল we have focused for that, and এটার জন্য আমরা ট্রাই করলাম যে আমরা গাড়ির ক্ষেত্রে বলতে পারি ড্রাইভিং এবং বাইক বা সাইকেলের ক্ষেত্রে বলতে পারি রাইডিং। ওকে, সো what should we learn today? And we have learned গাড়ির ক্ষেত্রে ড্রাইভিং, and bike or bicycle ক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে riding. Okay guys, I think you have watched my full video, and if you watched my full video, definitely you are great subscriber, you are great follower of me, and I will thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for watching that video, my full video. And to get this kind of video continue, definitely you have to like this video, and you have to comment this video, and you have to subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time. Okay, bye for now. Bye bye.